That's right, Jessica. If you get caught not wearing a bike helmet during a bike ride in King County, it could cost you about $100 in fines and court fees. Bike advocates looked into who's getting ticketed and say they were alarmed by what they found.
Last year, Seattle Central Greenways, a group advocating for safer streets, started researching King County's bicycle helmet law and discovered it was unfairly enforced.
We found that black cyclists have been cited disproportionately for not wearing a helmet to the rate of 4 times the rate of white cyclists, so a really stark disparity.
Latino and Indigenous cyclists were also cited at higher rates, and Crosscut reported that nearly half of all recent citations went to homeless people. It's against that backdrop that the King County Board of Health is now reviewing the law and whether it should be repealed.
If this helmet law is having the unintended effect of actually harming public health through criminalization, that's something that we should take a look at and take very seriously.
To be clear, no one is saying helmets are bad.
We strongly support helmet use. We know that helmets reduce your likelihood of being injured in a crash pretty substantially.
The primary concern is enforcement. During a hearing on the law Thursday, council members sounded serious about taking action.
This one seems to be so egregiously disproportionately applied. I think it does demand our attention.
Last year, Tacoma repealed its bike helmet law after similar concerns about unfair enforcement. Jessica?
Ted, are there concerns that if this law is repealed, it would lead to fewer people wearing helmets?
Well, bike advocates I spoke with say they think when this law was put into place in the 90s that it did lead to more people wearing helmets. But now, given those concerns about enforcement, they think most people are wearing helmets because of safety and because a lot of people are just doing that. It's a normal practice these days. So they don't think it's because people are trying to avoid a fine or getting stopped by the police. In place of these helmet laws, they think there should be more helmet education in schools and even free helmets.